you go to the beach?
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah!
You're gonna have to put some warm clothes on though.
Yeah. We're going to the beach. Beach.
We'll go where there's arcades.
Arcades? What arcades?
Where you play on the games, you know. You put the 2p's in. I'm just waiting for everybody to get ready. Well, listen, I've told you about the dangers of pulling out.
Help!
Oh, it doesn't! It's everywhere!
Show me.
Look.
It looks good.
No, it doesn't. It's everywhere. I don't like it.
I can see this beach trip coming to an end very shortly because the boys have both just got their shoes wet. It's 0 degrees and they'll be moaning about it pretty soon. There's not a lot of people here, guys. Took your hat off, can't believe it.
Huh?
Took your hood off.
No, it's just pure. Why?
Some shot. I forget you've got hair though.